want to go back and see what's for lunch?
Yeah, let's go see what's for breakfast too.
Alright, we gotta be quiet or else I'll catch us. Come on. Look, I found what's for lunch. Grilled hot dog, crispy chicken patty sandwich, barbecue bacon, baked beans, cheese sandwich, salad with turkey, fresh sliced bread with PB&J sandwich, assorted fruit, and assorted vegetables. That sounds good.
I found what's for breakfast tomorrow.
Really?
We're having pancakes, breakfast chicken patty on a biscuit, juicy sliced peaches, and assorted fresh fruit.
Well, let's get out of here before we get